So today I'm going to draw my first doodle drawing with some cheap markers, and I will also give my review for the markers, so stay to the end. So one day, and my friends, this is the Croma markers. I ordered this months ago and it has finally arrived. Well, I need to draw something so I can test the marker. I'm going to draw a full page doodle drawing today. Sketching done, it's time for inking, and I'm going to use the fineliner, of course.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Now we're running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Now we're running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switching position, that's where money be in my bag. Gotta thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had. Now that I'm in it, I got a ball, roll it the wrist.
Okay, you all know what it is. It's time for sexy lines, my friends. Oof, it's getting dark. Wait, I have an idea. Oh yeah! This time I'm going to draw the super ultra sexy lines, so it's going to take a while. Ooh, super ultra sexy line is done. Oh my god, it's already 10 o'clock. I need to sleep first. Okay, day 2. I feel so much better now. Let's continue the drawing. DJ DK, give me some sexy music. It's coloring time. Wait. Okay, I need to focus. Okay, I need to finish this drawing faster. DJ DK, I need some super ultra sexy music. Let's go. So the color of these markers are very vibrant, but the actual color of the markers are way different than the color shown on the cap. So remember to test your color. And I will really recommend this to those who just starting out. It's way cheaper than starting with the Copic markers.
Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder.
Coloring done, enjoy the review. Bye.
Tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder.